I am hungry. I will make a big salad. First, I open the fridge. It is very cold. Look at the green leaves. This looks fresh.
This is lettuce. It is the base of my meal.
I wash the dirt away. Water is clear.
Now the leaves are dry. I hate wet salad.
I need a large bowl. This one is perfect. I rip the leaves. Small pieces are better. A red tomato. It is very round. The knife is sharp. I must be careful. Slice the tomato. 1, 2, 3. Red and green. The colors are beautiful. This is a cucumber. It is long and cool. I peel the skin. Now it is light green.
Chop, chop, chop.
I move quickly. Add the cucumber. The bowl is getting full. An onion. It has a very strong smell. Oh no, the onion makes me cry. Finished. No more crying now.
This pepper is yellow. Woo! It is crunchy.
Remove the seeds. We do not eat them. I like yellow. It looks like the sun. A rainbow in a bowl. This is fun. Now for the dressing. I need olive oil. Oil is slippery. I pour it carefully. Fill the jar. This is the start. I roll the lemon. This makes more juice. Add some salt. Just a little bit. Twist the pepper. It smells spicy. Whisk the sauce. Mix it all up. The dressing is ready. It looks yummy. Pour the dressing. Cover the vegetables. I use the spoons. I must toss the salad. Lift and turn. Mix the flavors. This is a great meal. I am proud. I need a fork. Time to taste.
Crunch. It is very fresh.
Yes. It tastes amazing. Maybe some nuts? Walnuts are healthy. Sprinkle them on top. Like snow.
I love cheese. I love cheese. Woo! This is salty. Crumble the cheese. It is soft. I set the table. Whew! It looks nice.
A glass of water. To stay hydrated. Do not drop it. The bowl is heavy. Lunch is served. Sit down, Sara. Comfortable. I am ready to eat.
A small portion. I can have more later.
The tomato is sweet. I love it. The sky is blue. It is a lovely day. That was good. My tummy is happy. There is still some left. I will save it. Pull it tight. No air inside.
Back to the fridge. Stay cold, salad.
Safe and cold. I will eat more tonight. Time to clean. A tidy kitchen is best. Soap and bubbles. Scrub the board. Be very careful. The blade is sharp. Rinse with water. Ooh. Now they are shiny. Sit here and dry. I am almost done. Wipe the counter. No more juice or seeds. Throw away the scraps. Goodbye, trash. The kitchen is clean. I feel good. Nature is peaceful. The trees are green. Now for some tea. It is a warm drink. Hot steam. Careful, it is burning. Relaxing time. No more work today. Life is sweet. I had a great day.
Time to go. Goodbye, kitchen.
Eating vegetables is good. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.